How to pay Atome using LandBank. So to pay your Atome bill using LandBank, first you need to open or access your Atome app. So open your Atome app and log into your account. Then locate the bill. So go to the Home or Bills section and find the Atome bill you want to pay. Then copy the InstaPay code. So look for the InstaPay option once you paid the bill with. It is a 16-digit code associated with the bill. So just copy this code and then open your LandBank app or website. So launch the LandBank mobile app and then access their online banking portal. Then you want to initiate the InstaPay transfer. So find the InstaPay or transfer to other banks option, or you can just scan the QR code within the LandBank platform. Then you want to paste and confirm. So paste the copied Atome InstaPay code into the recipient field, enter the bill amount, and confirm the transaction details. And that's how you can complete a transaction. Just follow the prompts to authorize the transfer and complete the payment process. And that's how you can basically pay Atome using LandBank.